Hey guys, welcome to Protein Treats by Nutracelle. I'm Melanie Wildman and I've managed to maintain my weight loss since my sleep for almost 10 years. And I want to show you all of the tips and tricks on how I do that and how I live a sugar-free lifestyle. One of my hacks that I think you guys are going to love that I've done for years and I've never really showed you before is how to make your own protein coffee creamer. So if you want to make your coffee in the morning super decadent and super healthy, this is the easiest way to do it. All you're going to need is vanilla NUTRALEAN and some cream. Now I like to have lots of fat in my diet. That's what helps me maintain my blood sugars and keep things low. So I have lots of protein, lots of healthy fats, and lots of prebiotic fiber, which helps to keep my gut flora nice and healthy. Now to make this, all you do is take half a cup of cream, and I'm using a full fat whipping cream made right here in Prince Edward Island. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pour that in there. And then all I'm going to do is add 2 scoops of vanilla NUTRALEAN. 1 scoop here. Add our second scoop, just like that. And just a little more just to make sure we have lots of the yummy vanilla NUTRALEAN. I'm gonna put my lid on our shaker cup, and if you're wondering where to get this awesome shaker cup, we have these on our site at Nutracelle.com. What I love about them is they fit into your cup holder, and if you can see this here, the bottom is actually rounded so that it always comes out clean from the dishwasher. There's no corners for anything to get stuck in. It snaps on super easy. And of course, I'm a mom, so I'm always running around with a million bags and computer bags and stuff for the kids, so I can hook my finger and my keys on it and run as I go out the door. So I thought I would just share how awesome our shaker cups are. To make your yummy coffee creamer, all you do is shake this up a little bit, let it sit for about 10-15 minutes, and just like that, for a good week, you can keep this in the fridge and you're ready to go with coffee creamer. I'll show you in a second just how smooth and delicious and perfect this is. So the great thing about vanilla NUTRALEAN is how easy it mixes up. And I'm gonna show you here, I'm just gonna pour it right into my little creamer pot here. And one thing to note is if you want your creamer to be a little bit thicker, go ahead and add some water. When you leave this in the fridge, it will continue to thicken up. So when you go to use it the next day, just add a little bit more water to it. And just like this, we've got a perfect coffee creamer ready to go in the morning. You don't have to buy any of that expensive stuff. Pour it right into your coffee, and look at that, you're good to go. Easy hacks so you don't have to spend any money on expensive coffee creamers with all the chemicals and icky stuff in it. This way you get all natural, yummy vanilla NUTRALEAN ready to go in your coffee first thing in the morning. If you want more great tips on how to live a sugar-free lifestyle, whether you're keto, paleo, low carb, high fat, whatever it is that you're following, make sure you subscribe. Hit the little bell so you get the reminders every single week, and I will keep sending you lots of yummy treats that you can have, and I will see you back here next week. Thanks, guys.